Hey guys, this is Tami Klingenberg with Realty Partners here in Central Florida. I needed to pull my car over to give you a good realtor tip today. And that realtor tip is actually related to a question I get all the time this time of year here in November. So happy November. And the question that I always get is November a good time to put my house on the market? Great question. And the answer is hands down yes. This is a great time of year to put your house on the market. And I have really 10 fantastic tips why, but I'm just going to give you a couple today because of time. The first one is it's a great time because most of the people who are coming to look at your home will be serious buyers. They've got other things to do this time of year. People have football games to watch. They've got activities to go to. They've got pumpkin patches to see, friends to visit. So if they are coming to look at your home, they are serious about buying something. Also, they are on a tight timeline themselves. Many of them see themselves in a new home by the end of the year. And with that, many of the buyers are not only pre-qualified, they're also pre-approved. And what that means is they are moving through the loan process much more quickly than someone who maybe has a little more time to play with. So you're not only going to have serious buyers, you're going to have highly qualified buyers. And another really good reason why this is a perfect time to put your house on the market is you. You like to decorate your home for your own family and friends. So all those nice little decorations that you put out basically say, welcome, come on in. And I think when buyers come and see homes that have that vibe of you're welcome, they feel it themselves and they can see their friends and their family in that house as well. And it just makes your house just so much more inviting and, gets those contracts to you a little bit quicker. So if you are someone who's been considering putting your house on the market in November, I would say do it. This is a great time. If you need me to give you a market analysis, I'd be happy to. My number is 463-1178. If you've got an agent, you let them know you're ready. Let them give you a good market analysis, give you a good marketing plan. That's what we do. And I hope this tip is helpful for you today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.